Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today the recipe we are going to show you is sweet gourd river shrimp. This is an authentic Bengali dish which is very famous and very easy to make. If you are someone who doesn't like sweet gourd, then this dish will make you fall in love with it. This is super simple, healthy and very tasty. We bet your children will eat this dish without making any excuse. So without further talking, let's get started. Thanks for watching. If you enjoy the recipe, don't forget to leave a thumbs up. Try this recipe at home. We appreciate your valuable feedback in our comment section. Also, if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, then please do. Till then, happy cooking!